Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you and talking about how to meet safely on Craigslist. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website right here, craigslist.org if you have not already, from where we can get started browsing the categories we can go and find items for sale in. The first thing you want to do to be able to meet with somebody and to message them is to go and sign up to your account. If you have not already created one, you can go and create one. If you need one and already have one, you can just go and log in. So after logging in, now we can get started browsing what we want to find. Once you found an ad that you want to go and meet up with somebody to purchase or something similar, now we can follow some basic steps. As you can see right here on the official Craigslist website, you have some in-person transaction tips to make it all go smooth and to be as safe as possible. So basically guys, when meeting someone for the first time, you want to remember to insist on a public meeting place like a bank or a police department. Some police departments have buy and sell areas set aside for meetings, somewhere where there is a lot of people and maybe even security, so you can feel safe. Do not meet in a secluded place or invite strangers into your home. You never want to do this, and be especially careful buying or selling high value items. This is the one that people want to go and steal. Tell a friend or family member where you're going so they always know your location, and consider having a friend accompany you, as if you have friends with you, it's going to go smoother than if you were alone. So trust your instincts and be safe, and these are basically just the simple guidelines you want to follow for a safe meeting, so good luck with that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.